What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. It's been a hot minute since we've gone over Baby Pepe, but we're going to go over Baby Pepe today and how powerful this 382 support area is for Baby Pepe and some critical downtrend resistance areas that we're currently contending with right now and what that means if we actually break these resistance areas for Baby Pepe. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Baby Pepe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Baby Pepe. We haven't covered this in quite a while. Obviously, Binance Smart Chain volume has been down, so BSC coins really haven't been doing much. A lot of them have been retracing quite hard, while Baby Pepe has been holding up pretty dang good at this 382 area. I mean, we've tested this area multiple times going back to March of 23. Once, twice, three, four, five, six, and now we're just consolidating on it pretty dang good. Look at that perfect bounce with that nice large green God candle coming in. Something interesting that I really want to point out here for Baby Pepe is the downtrend. So in our prior downtrend that we experienced from the high of March 11th to the bottom in May 17th, you can see something very interesting. We touched all these peaks here, and as we broke out, we back tested it right here on the 20th of May, and then we saw our secondary run to the upside. Now, if we look at where we're currently at right now, it's looking oddly similar to that. Now, obviously, you have a downtrend here, but we're going to be going off of this downtrend right here. So you can see we touched once, twice right there, three, four times. Look at what currently happened right now. Let's actually make this valid. What currently happened, we actually just broke out of this thing, back tested it, and it had a nice bounce off this 382 area, which could indicate that there could be a bottom in for Baby Pepe. Now, another downtrend that we want to look for here is this one. This one's a little bit more valid because you can see it touches the high here, high here, high here, high here. We're currently contending with that right now. So if we happen to break over a prior high that we experienced on the 27th of July, that would officially be a trend reversal here for Baby Pepe. And the last time that happened was back in May. And you saw what kind of happened after that. You saw this large run to the upside. On top of that, indicators are looking very similar as well. The RSI is in the same spot. The MACD is about ready to flip from bearish to bullish right here. As you can see, we were slightly bearish. Now it looks like we're trying to cross over bullish. And then the RSI is a very similar spot as well. So that's an area that we're going to be keeping a close eye on here, is trying to break this prior high that we experienced just a couple days ago, just yesterday. If we can break yesterday's high, that'd be putting in a higher high, which we have not done since we started this downtrend here of May 27th. So I'm getting pretty optimistic here that Baby Pepe might be seeing a move pretty dang soon. I mean, you can see the power of that 382. Every time we dip down there, whales or whoever's just been buying it. They're not allowing this coin to drop below that price range. And if we look at the TXNs, let's look at the transactions. You can see there's some big ones that have came in here recently. Obviously, you have a buy here of 840. Obviously, after big buys here to get some sells, but look at this buy rate here. We have 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. Let's see. Let's actually check this wallet out real quick. See what kind of this is. Yeah, this looks like it's a whales wallet. Definitely a whales wallet who buys big. Looks like every time they buy big, they buy consecutively big. And it usually looks like it's a trend reversal area every time they buy in, because they bought in what 1 month ago, 14 days, 1 month ago, 14 days. You can kind of see all their buys and sell signals right here. Looks like they're an early investor, bought early, sold the top, and have just been accumulating since. So it looks like every time they've bought near a bottom here. So we're going to be keeping an eye on this wallet. Actually, it looks like they're trying to push this a little bit higher here. So you know what they say, shrimpies follow whales, whales eat shrimp. But if you're a whale watcher, this is one wallet to keep an eye on, because usually every time they buy, it does look like we see a decent sized reversal to the upside. So obviously they know what they're doing. Now, one thing we want to focus on here as well is the activity in the community. So if you are a believer in Baby Pepe, make sure you join their Telegram group, which you can click right here in Deck Screener. Join their Telegram group and just be active in the community, guys. These meme coins are nothing without their community. So as long as we can keep the community going, a safe place, non-toxic place, the devs is to continue pushing this coin here. And as you can see, the devs not letting the coin fall below the 382 area. So this is I'll be transparent with you guys. This is a coin that I am holding in my portfolio. I am holding it for this cycle. I have no intention on selling this. This is one of those baby coins. If you follow my channel, I have a couple baby coins. This is one that I think is an absolute sleeper coin. Only $550 million market cap right now. It is listed on Bitmart. When it hits 5 million market cap, it's getting listed on Mexi. $10 million market cap, it's listed on BitGet. They have it all explained on their website and everything like that. So definitely do your research on this thing, but I think this coin has the potential to go to a multi-million dollar market cap once volume gets back on to, you know, the Binance Smart Chain. So you know what they say: buy fear, sell greed. So I'm probably going to pick up a little bit more of this today because it looks like this 382 area is the most optimal time to pick this bad boy up. Because normally when we touch this thing, we see pretty decent sized reversals to the upside. You can see we touched it here, reversed to the upside, touched here, reversed to the upside. Here to the upside, here went parabolic, here to the upside, and now we just touched it again and we're starting to rally. So pretty much every time, excluding I think one time, every time we've touched this 382 area, we saw significant volume to the upside. And with that leading into a downtrend resistance area, that just gives me the hopium that we actually break this downtrend resistance area and start a trend reversal here and start seeing the next leg up for baby Pepe. Now, if we do happen to see a next leg up for baby Pepe, obviously there's the long-term resistance area, which is right here. We're not even going to talk about this yet because we're not there yet. So this is the main area that we need to focus on to go absolutely parabolic. So once we break out of that downtrend, which we talked about right here, we will cover the secondary downtrend and fib resistance areas. Now, if we did break this current downtrend right now, the next main resistance area would be the 0.5 at about 195, which you can see was prior resistance in the past. We tested it multiple times right here. We tested it multiple times right here. We wrote it as support here. We got rejected off it right here. So if we did happen to break the downtrend, that would be the next area of resistance for baby Pepe, which would be up around, you know, that 1981 area, which if I'm not mistaken, let me see if I can find the tool. It's been a while since I've used these tools here. I think there's a, where is it at? There's a price. Yeah, price range. So, which from where we're currently at is approximately a 34% gain to that next resistance area. But like I mentioned prior, every time we've touched the bottom, we've seen significant growth to the upside. Every time we touched the 382 here, we ran 5.8x. We touched the 382 here, we ran 65%. We touched the 382 right here, we ran 172%. We touched the 382 pretty close right here. That was about another 5x. Next one was right here. We ran approximately 60%. So every time we pretty much touched that 382 area, we saw at least a 50% to, you know, a 5x gain from that point on. So I got some hopium, guys. I'll be in their Telegram chatting it up. So make sure you join their Telegram, follow them on Twitter, give them a like. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.